Hey guys, it's Therese. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Yes, Ava. Okay. Okay. Hey guys, it's Therese. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you stay around. And if you've been with me for a while, hey, long time no see. Hopefully this is the last time that I say that. And I can get my videos uploaded more consistently. Today is going to be a first impression Friday video, my first impression Friday of 2018, and I will be trying out this Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage foundation. I picked mine up in the shade 360 Mocha because I believe this is the same shade that I have. Oh no. Yikes. I thought it was the same shade that I had in the Fit Me Matte and Poreless, but I actually have 368 Deep Golden in this foundation. Anyway, this foundation retails for about $12. There are 16 shades. The darkest shade is actually Truffle, so there's one shade darker than this. So I'm looking at the Ulta app, and this claims to not clog pores. It claims to be full coverage, and it claims to be a breathable wear. We shall see how this works out. And also claims to be 24-hour to last 24 hours, but I'm not wearing this for 24 hours, so it is super bright in here. Hopefully I don't look too ridiculous. I forgot to mention that I am combination oily skin. And yeah, so on one side of my face, I'm going to use the Morphe M439 brush, and the other side, I'm going to use a sponge. This is the Real Techniques body sponge. I know, but this is huge, but I feel like this is going to be like a 3-second application. My cat is messing with the tripod, so hopefully she doesn't knock y'all over. I'm going to spray my face with the Urban Decay Quick Fix priming spray. I've been like itching to buy this for as long as it's been out, and I finally picked it up recently. And this is only my second time using it. Yes, Ava. That spray smells so good. I forgot to mention that the packaging does have a pump, which I really do appreciate. And this is what the formula looks like. It is definitely thick. You don't see it like running down my hand or anything. I'm pretty sure I put way too much. Ooh, I don't know about this color. Mm-mm. It definitely does feel super lightweight, and it's blending out very nicely. And I don't feel like it's, I don't feel like it is like accentuating any of my problem areas, like my pores or anything, but I don't know about this color. Like, yikes. And if you haven't noticed, my face and my neck are two different shades. My neck is actually darker than like my chest area as well, so I do have a little bit of a issue with matching my foundations, especially in like the warmer months whenever I want to wear like tank tops or strapless things, like, you know, it's kind of difficult. I'm like still blending it in for no reason, like I've been done blending. But yeah, I feel like it dried pretty quickly. Let me do the other side with the sponge and see which I like better. The Real Technique sponges are super cheap, but my main issue with them is that they stain so badly. Like, the darker your foundation is, the harder the harder it is for you to get that foundation stain out of your sponge. That was a super quick application. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. I'm having a little bit of issue getting it like in my brow area, obviously, but so it's on both sides, and typically I like to use a foundation with either a brush or a sponge. Here comes Ava. Hi.
You got some corned beef hash to dinner.
For breakfast?
Yes.
You want corned beef hash for breakfast?
Yes.
Okay. So typically I like using a sponge or a...
Okay, here you go.
Okay, thank you. Oh, not my brows, girl. I need the brows. Whoa.
Did for your boob?
For my boob?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. That's my cheek. That's my other cheek. Anyway, typically I like to use either a sponge or a brush, but with this foundation I feel like I could do either or depending on, you know, just what mood I'm in that particular day. Thank you. Are you gonna say hi?
Hi.
Okay, you're saying hi to yourself.
Yeah.
Okay, go wake up daddy. So I'm gonna go do the rest of my makeup and I will be back to tell you how the foundation interacted with my other products. Alright y'all, so it's been about an hour since I've had my makeup on. The foundation did work well with the other products that I did put on my face. The only issues that I have as of right now is that, you know, my smile lines are already coming through and the middle of my forehead is already looking greasy. Other than that, I do like the foundation. I didn't really use a primer. Like, the only thing I used was this spray and not like any other primer. So maybe if I were to use a primer, I wouldn't have oils pushing through already. So yeah, oh, my nose looks a little oily right here as well. We will see. I'll be back in a few hours to let you guys have a little looky-loo at my face. I did realize that I forgot to do a flash test. So I can't tell you if there's flashback or not. I personally don't ever use flash, so that wouldn't really matter for me, honestly. So yeah, I'll see you in a few hours. Hey y'all, so my husband and my daughter are in the living room arguing over Plants vs. Zombies Garden Warfare, I think it's called. So if you hear them in the background, please ignore them. Anyway, it has been 7 hours since I applied this foundation, and I want to give you guys like my final first impressions on the situation. I'm taking my glasses off. As you can see, most likely, my face is super greasy. I only blotted one time, and I want to say that was around like the 3-hour mark. This foundation does definitely transfer. Got this foundation all over the place. You see like these imprints right here from where my glasses sit. My glasses, like, they're super cute, but they're terrible for when I have on makeup because I get like foundation and stuff all on the bottom and all in the nose area, of course. What else? My smile lines aren't as bad as they've been in like other using other foundations, but you know, you can definitely see them. And yeah, it's just I'm just oily, so I wouldn't say that for me this would last for 24 hours. I'm definitely going to hold on to this foundation though and try it with different primers and powders to see how that works out for me. And right now I'm just going to repowder my face because I have somewhere to go in like 30 minutes, so I don't have time to BS. Anyway, if you have tried this foundation, let me know how you feel about it down below in the comment section. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. It helps other people see this video. And yeah, also down below, let me know any other products that you would like to see me try out for a first impression, and I will try to get on that ASAP. Hopefully I have another video up very, very soon. And thank you so much for everyone that has supported me thus far, leaving me comments and sending me like DMs on Instagram and stuff to see if I am okay. I am definitely okay. It's just something about YouTube makes my anxiety like skyrocket. So yeah, I'm hoping that I can work through that this year and produce more videos, creative videos, get back into eyeshadow and shit. Anyway, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!